Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the features of the 14-inch twin-size bed frame with headboard and footboard, a perfect blend of durability and functionality for your bedroom. This bed frame is crafted from a strong steel structure, ensuring a noise-free experience with reinforced leg support, and its powder-coated surface offers medium rust and scratch resistance, making it ideal for long-term use. With its easy assembly, all necessary hardware and clear instructions are included, allowing you to set it up in under an hour, saving you time and effort. The bed frame provides 12.4 inches of under-bed storage space, perfect for keeping your room tidy and offering easy access to stored items, making it suitable for sleepers of all ages. Equipped with a headboard and footboard, it not only protects your head but also offers a comfortable sitting position for reading or watching TV with a pillow behind your back. Designed with safety in mind, the bed features rounded corners, a smooth surface, and protective foot pads, while high footboards prevent bedding from slipping onto the floor as you sleep. Experience the perfect combination of style, comfort, and practicality with this thoughtfully designed metal platform bed frame. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.